How to delete Facebook block list permanently without unblocking. Hello guys, so welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can delete Facebook block list permanently without unblocking them. So it's too irritating that you can't delete Facebook block list permanently without unblocking them. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open your Facebook account. And from here, let me show that it needs to be unblocking them before I delete the block list. Okay, let me show 3 dot settings, and for the option blocking. So you can see I have blocked 3 people. So in your case, it might be more than 100 or 200. So you can't delete them until you unblock them. So there is no any option to delete in bulk. So you have to unblock them. So for that, you will have to back from here. So you have to click on 3 dot again and simply scroll down and go for the option like help and support. And here you have to go for the option like report a problem. So scroll down and again go for the option continue to report a problem. So simply tap on it. And from here, you have to click on this include option. So simply tap on this include. And here you will scroll down and go for the option like privacy. So simply click on this privacy section. And here you have to explain your problems. So from here, you have to upload that screenshot which display all of the block listed on your Facebook account. So simply upload that screenshot. And here you have to describe the issue. Like I have mentioned that I have blocked so many people on Facebook and now I want to remove them at bulk. So please help me in this condition. So simply you have to mention your issue here. So after that, you will have to click on this send option just at the top right corner of your screen. So after that, in 24 hours, your block list will remove permanently in bulk. So if this video was helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon there to get first notification on quick tutorial video like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.